So this is a small alertness to all the designers, or it could be a small threat also to designers. When we are designing, we do with a solo mind, but when we need to present, that is the time it gets difficult. Now, as I was explaining, according to the designs, what we were supposed to do, and literally we had done a sample in a different way. Finally, when it came to the garment is not looking very fresh and great because there is missing of elements is expression. The entire depiction of this design was on a movie based, and now when I see, it is very dry and drab and it's not giving a greater look.
जो भी डिजाइन की है मैंने उसे काफी टाइम हो गया। जब मैं फैब्रिक के ऊपर वो ले रही हूँ तो गैपिंग होने की वजह से मैं बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसे हो रहा है कि मेरे मुझसे छूट रही।
So this entire design is going to go on a rejection, but I'll tell you the amount of fireflies she has developed in this series is on a longer time. I think she has made more than 500 fireflies and she's finally attempted. Now she want to show a burn effect on these fireflies. That is the reason she has made this fire.
तो इसके ऊपर मुझे रीडू करना है। जो भी मैंने पैच वर्क किया है इसके अंदर मैंने कोई फायर नहीं दिखाई, तो वैसे नहीं लग रहा है कि आग वहां लगी हुई।
So there is lots of rework which is happening. So sketch is going to look different and your final product is going to look different because there is a lot of space which is getting created between the design and your personal life.
जैसे कि मैं फायरफ्लाइज बना रही हूँ, मैंने फायरफ्लाइज एग्जैक्ट बनाने की कोशिश की है, बट जहाँ जैसे कि सर ने बताया कि ये जो मैंने फायर इफेक्ट दिया है ये बहुत सारा मतलब वैसे नहीं आया जैसे मेरे स्केच में है। तो कई सारी चीजें जो मिसिंग हुई है मुझसे, जो मुझे करनी पड़ेगी।
So designers, these are small examples. When you do something, try to finish on time. If you give a gap, then it's over. So don't try to give gaps when you're doing something greater to launch in the market.